This here's my whiteboard that I had my builders build into my wall with whiteboard paint. The only thing that it was missing when they got all done was somewhere to put my whiteboard markers. So went ahead and ordered this up. It works very well. It came with sticky pads to go ahead and affix it to the wall. It also has a magnetic back, so if you already have a whiteboard that is, metal and can have magnets on it, this thing will stick right to it and you can move it around. I cannot move it around because I used the 3M pads that came with it and was able to stick it right there. Now it's high enough where my kids can't actually get the markers and can't draw all over my walls. I can keep my markers up and out of their way, out of their reach. We got a 2-pack of this, so I also used one for my wife's whiteboard, and it's a really great product. It is what it is, I'd say you could probably hold about 8 or 9 markers in there all together, something like that, without starting to cram them in there.